Down the via Dolorosa in Jerusalem that day, the soldiers tried to clear the narrow street, but the crowd pressed in to see a man condemned to die on Calvary. He was bleeding from a beating. There were stripes upon his back, and he wore a crown of thorns upon his head. And he bore with every step the scorn of those who cried out for his death. Down the via Dolorosa, called the way of suffering, like a lamb came the Messiah Christ, the King. But he chose to walk that road out of his love for you and me. Down the via Dolorosa, all the way to Calvary. Ang landas ng pagdurusa doon sa Jerusalem, ang mga tao ay nagtungot, naghintay, at nang mapagmasdan nila na si Kristo'y hinatulang mamatay.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
At mayroong latay ang buo niyang katawan.
Puri ka, mahal na Panginoon.
At sa ulo may korona ng tinig.
Amin na mahal.
At sa bawat hakbang niya'y
Ang pag-alala mo, minamahal sa krus ng Kalbaryo, minamahal.
maririnig.
Sa araw na ito, mga minamahal, kulong-kulong ng pag-ibig, mga minamahal. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Ng pagdurusa na tinahak ni Jesus, namatay siya upang tayo'y tubos. Langit ang nilisan niya dahil inibig niya sa landas ng pagdurusa ay laan sa Kalbaryo. Dugo niya'y
Hallelujah,
tumigis
hallelujah, hallelujah.
nang tayo'y
Walang nagkapala sa laban, mahal na Panginoon.
sa krus ay naganap
Hallelujah, puri ka lang.
ang kaniyang pasanin. Sa landas ng pagdurusa na tinahak ni Jesus, namatay siya upang tayo'y matubos. Langit ay nilisan pagdurusa ay naan sa Kalbaryo. The blood that was cleansed
Hallelujah. Glory, 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 glory to God.
by your
Hallelujah,
name made its way to the heart of Jerusalem. Down the via Dolorosa, called the way of suffering. Like a lamb came the Messiah Christ, the King. But he chose to walk that road out of his love for you and me. Down the Via Dolorosa, all the way to Calvary. Ooh, to Calvary.
Purihin mo naman ang ating dakilang Diyos na buhay ng naman.